I'm going to visit a beautiful little city in Netherlands called Vollenhove. This is not a famous city. It is small, quiet and full of history. Sometimes the smallest place has a lot of history. While we explore this city, we will also improve English. Just watch, listen and enjoy the story. Your brain will naturally connect the words with place you see. In this video, we will learn new words about city, nature, history, buildings and everyday life. You will hear the same words many times, so they become easy to remember. Did you know that Vollenhove was one of the important cities for Dutch nobles and bishops? Hundreds of years ago, rich and powerful people lived here. Today it is a peaceful place with beautiful old streets, historic houses and amazing view of nature. So, if you want to improve English and discover a hidden place in the Netherlands, at the same time, you are in the right place. Let's start our walk through Vollenhove. Look around. The streets are narrow, clean and very quiet. There is not much traffic here. Instead of many cars, you can see bicycles and people walking. Take a look at the houses. Many of these buildings are hundreds of years old. They have beautiful windows, colorful doors, and traditional Dutch architecture. As you walk, you can feel the history of this city. Every street has its own story. Notice the trees, the flowers and the small gardens. People take good care of their homes, and that makes the street feel warm and welcoming. One interesting fact is that Vollenhove has more than 100 national heritage buildings. For such a small city, that's quite impressive. Walking here is different from walking in busy city. There is no rush. You can slow down, enjoy the fresh air, listen to the birds and simply relax. What can you see? Can you see an old houses? Can you see a bicycle? Can you hear the birds? Take a moment and look around and enjoy a peaceful place. Now let's walk to the harbor. This is one of the beautiful places in Vollenhove. Can you see all the boats? Some are small fishing boats, others are beautiful sailing boats and modern yachts. People come here to relax, go sailing or spend a day on the water. Years ago, this harbor was very important for trade and fishing. Boats carried people and goods across the water. Today, it is much quieter, but it is still an important part of the city. Many visitors stop here to enjoy the view. The water is calm, the boats move gently, and everything feels peaceful. For many people, sailing is more than a hobby. It is a way of life in the Netherlands. Can you imagine spending a sunny afternoon on one of these boats? The harbor is a perfect place to slow down, enjoy the fresh air and watch life on the water. Now let's take a walk through one of the green parks in Vollenhove. This is a quiet place where people come to relax. Look at the trees, listen to the birds. Take a deep breath and enjoy the fresh air. The park is full of green grass, colorful flowers, and beautiful old trees. In spring and summer, everything looks bright and alive. Many local people come here for a walk. Some sit on a bench and read a book. Others enjoy a picnic with family or friends. One of the best things about Vollenhove is that nature is always close. You don't have to travel far to find a peaceful place like this. Can you see the wooden bridge? The bridge is small, but it makes this place very charming. People walk across them to enjoy the view and take photos. Over there you can see a fountain. The water rises into the air and falls back in the lake. It adds movement and makes the park feel even more relaxed. There is also a small waterfall. It is not very big, but it creates a gentle, relaxing sound. Many people stop here for a moment to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The lake is home for ducks, swans, and other birds. If you are lucky, you might see them swimming quickly across the water. This is a perfect place to slow down, enjoy nature, and forget about a busy world for a little while. Take a look around. What is your favorite part? The lake, the wooden bridge, the fountain, or the waterfall? Write in the comments. Now let's visit the animals. This is one of the most fun places, especially for families and children. Can you see the deer? They are calm, gentle, and very beautiful. They quietly walk around and enjoy the grass and the trees. Now look at the peacocks. Peacocks are famous for their colorful feathers. If you're lucky, you might see a peacock open its beautiful tail. It looks like a living rainbow. These are chickens. They walk around, scratch the ground, and look for food. They are always busy. Sometimes they are loud, and sometimes they follow each other in a long line. These small animals area remind us that nature is an important part of life in Vollenhove. It is a peaceful place where people can slow down, watch the animals, and enjoy a quiet moment. Which animals do you like the most? The deer? The peacock? Or chickens? Write in the comments. Today we explored quiet streets, beautiful canals, peaceful parks and harbor, and even made some friendly animals. I hope you also learned some English words without feeling like you were studying. We learn by listening, watching, and understanding. If you enjoy this walk, don't forget to watch this video again. The second time you will understand even more. Thank you for walking to Vollenhove with me. What was your favorite place? Leave it in the comments.